Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily hide decorations and obstacles in Clash of Clans on your iPhone or Android device. Clash of Clans lets you customize your village with decorations, seasonal items, trees, rocks, and various obstacles that appear over time. While these objects can make your base look unique, they can also clutter the screen and make village management more difficult, especially when designing clean layouts or organizing defenses. Thankfully, the game includes a pretty simple way to hide or manage decorations without permanently removing them. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Clash of Clans game on your device, and then you have to hit the settings gear icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. And when the settings menu shows up, you have to choose the more settings option in the menu. Then we have to scroll down to find the gameplay or combat section. Now you have to locate the option to hide decorations, obstacles, and ensure that its toggle is active. And that's pretty much it. Hiding decorations and obstacles in Clash of Clans is a great way to keep your village clean, organized, and easier to manage during attacks or base building. The best part is that your special event items and collectibles remain safe and can be placed back anytime you want. So whether you are redesigning your base or simply reducing visual clutter, this feature makes customization much more convenient on both iOS and Android devices. It's worth pointing out that if you ever wish to show these items without any restrictions at all, simply head over to the same setting and then disable this very toggle, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.